Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we would be making some garlic powder from scratch. The only ingredient we'll be needing for this recipe is garlic cloves. So we are going to start off by peeling off all the skin from the garlic. You can peel off the skin however you like. I like to use a knife to peel it off. Some people would prefer to put the garlic into a jar and then close it tight and give it a wiggle shake until all the skins fall out. You could do that as well. However you know how to do it, just make sure you get off all the skin from your garlic. Okay. And I feel like when I cut the top bit and the bottom bit, it kind of makes it easy for me to just peel off the skin from the garlic. And there we are, we have peeled the garlic and I'll be transferring it into my vegetable chopper. It's a manual chopper. I will link it in the description. I will link this product from my Amazon storefront in the description. So if you'd like to get one, please help yourself. Okay. And all you just need to do is just pull the string and you can see that the garlic is actually moving around, and as it's moving around, it's chopping it. So that's a good size for us to work with. And I would transfer it into my air fryer, which is the Ninja air fryer. And I'll just put it inside one of the drawers, just like so. And then close it, switch it on, and use the dehydrate function. So it's going to be dehydrating at 60 degrees for the next 6 hours. Okay, that it is completely dry. This is what we are going to be working with. Can you hear how crunchy it is, how dry that is sounding? Yes, and then we will go ahead and blend until it's smooth, just like so. And then I'll pass it through a sieve because I'm just extra like that. I just want to make sure that there's no particles in my garlic powder before I transfer it into an airtight container and store it in my pantry or in my cupboard. See those bits there? I can chuck that in the bin. And there we are. We have made our garlic powder. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like this video, comment, and share with your friends and family. And if you're going to be trying it as well, please let me know. And if you have, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.